Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS CLI on a VDS for automation tasks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install AWS CLI on a virtual dedicated server, start by connecting to your VDS via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the command line on your local machine. Enter your server's IP address and log in with your credentials. Update the package repository on your server. For Debian-based systems, run the command sudo apt-get update. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Next, install Python if it's not already installed. For Debian-based systems, execute sudo apt-get install Python 3. For Red Hat, use sudo yum install Python 3. Now, install the pip package manager, which helps manage Python packages. For Debian, run sudo apt-get install Python 3 pip. For Red Hat, execute sudo yum install Python 3 pip. With pip in place, install the AWS CLI tool. Run the command pip3 install OSCLI upgrade user. To ensure the AWS CLI is accessible from anywhere, add its installation direct. You can find the AWS CLI installation path by running echo $, which AWS. Copy the output and edit your profile file. For Debian, use nano/.bashrc. For Red Hat, edit /.bash_profile. Add the line export path equals $path/.local/bin. Save and close the file. Refresh the terminal for the changes to take effect. Run the command source/.bashrc or source/.bash_profile. To verify the installation, check the AWS CLI version. Use the command AWS version. If the installation was successful, you will see the version number displayed. Now, configure the AWS CLI with your AWS credentials. Use the command AWS configure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.